Uy, wag.
Why? Why?
No. It's friendly. Look, he's not moving. He's not scared of you. Rico salsa. Oh, nice lang.
Para kasi siya.
Pizza, sourdough.
No preservatives.
Ooh, malaki you sell banana peel here. Korean. How much is the Korean? Okay, the japchae.
Very delicious Korean food. We almost sold out everything.
Uh-huh.
The one bulgogi ball order is available.
Oh, the only bulgogi? Oh, okay.
Yeah, bulgogi ball, which is a thin sliced ribeye and then seasoned white rice.
Oh, okay.
And it comes with the kimchi.
Okay. Thank you. We were late.
불고기 샐러드가 안 돼?
Right there. I'm just gonna go around. Huh?
My dear, there's no way. You don't watch my video.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Ooh, look. Ah, they're almost gone. So this is lemonade. Oh, you got Chinese dumpling.
Yeah, isn't it the thing you were looking for? The custard baby buns?
No, not really.
Dad, go over there. Chicken dumplings.
It's a hamburger? That's not? Oh, we can try it. Let's go around. Let's go around first. Wait lang. Where does then we go eat? Wait. Oh look.
How's it going, boss? How are you?
It's well.
Have samples. You wanna try?
Oh, try it.
You wanna double check? Because I didn't bring my phone.
double check.
Try it. Yeah, we can. Sabi ni Mommy, we're gonna do it.
Dad,
Yeah.
go down for this one.
Wait. No, this is the only place. No, I waited for you guys over there. Really, sir? Just one on, that's it. Wait. Ooh, vegetable, strawberry. Rio, mga prutas. You got a lot of jam.
What's this? My delight.
Cupcakes. You have coffee. Farmers market. every Wednesday. No, there's more food over there. Frutas. We have more frutas.
Mini Batman!
Oh, Batman! Yeah.
Mini Batman.
Batman sa damit nila.
She said mini Batman. I'm not mini. I'm a tall Batman.
Super sweet oranges. Okay, sure.
$5?
I'm already hungry, Dad.
Ah, one more round. That's it.
Ah.
Ooh, what's that? Rice. Rice bowl? Is that rice bowl? Rice bowl, yeah, it's rice bowl. Fried rice. Rice away.
I'm already hungry, Dad.
Yeah, sushi.
Oh, ice cream. Yeah, we do have like the
Oh,
Oh,
this.
you got the popcorn. Have one? Have one? Oh, no. Please.
No, we're gonna eat dinner now. Let's go. Oh, elote. Elote.
Corn in a
Oh,
hot
pizza.
Ooh.
Smells good.
I'm gonna eat it right now.
Smell pizza.
I'll eat pizza.
Sushi.
Hey, can we please eat? I'm already hungry.
Oh, let's
I'm all
go.
looking around. I'm already hungry.
Rice away. Oh, complete meal. 3 meat. Oh, 25.
Cinnamon nuts. Ice cream and chips. I'm already hungry.
One free class. Cinnamon roasted nuts. Keto sweets. Ow. Chili too. Every Wednesday. I guess we're gonna check out the stand. French fries. Huh? What? Crispy chicken fries? I don't need it. They have the stand burger. They have B, where are you gonna get?
Hindi ko alam.
Large. Oh, huh? Large. Oh, onion rings? No, large.
How many pieces? Large? You're gonna use water?
Dad?
Ohtani playing Dodgers versus Cincinnati Reds. 0-0. We are in the
Sinabi ko na sa yung small. Ay, ikaw makinig. Ubusin mo lahat yan.
want rice?
And burger.
You want rice?
So this is the stand burger. Ooh, Cybertruck. Usually there's a lot of nice cars around here, like a Lambo. Right now there isn't. There's no cars. Let's see. You gotta walk after you eat. There's no cool cars. Coffee. Coffee clutch. Toyota TRD 4x4.